Wednesday Noises, notes, and 24-hour forecast. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. A cold front slides through today. There'll be hit or miss storms that develop in this humid air mass. A few storms could become damaging today, so you do need to be prepped to seek shelter indoors should you need to. Downpours, lightning, brief gusty wind, the primary threats, lowering humidity behind the front as fresh new air arrives. You can open up the windows and let it in overnight tonight, and that sets us up for a really nice stretch of weather through the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. A little bit of wildfire smoke very high in the sky, giving that a little bit of a hazy appearance out the door, and that will continue to be the case through the day today. Really thin layer of it, really high in the sky, though. It's not like it comes down to the surface today. Meanwhile, temperatures do climb into the 80s pretty quickly. The dew point's up there too, so it's a sticky air mass, breaks of sun, fuel for the thunderstorms that develop, the instability in the atmosphere. Notice by midday to early afternoon, a few storms are popping all the way from northern Vermont, stretching back down into southern New England. Again, hit or miss. Not every city or town will see a storm. Not every storm will become strong to severe, but the risk is there through the afternoon. You notice from central Maine, stretching down into southern New England. This is the cold front, so really brief torrential downpours, brief gusty wind as well, and some localized urban flooding, poor drainage flooding that may occur here as we head into the late afternoon and evening. Notice we do get drier in northern, central, western New England, some lingering pockets of rain, downpours, and thunder for the immediate south coast to Cape Cod through this overnight tonight. And then the front's a little bit slower. It lags a little bit there, so a lingering shower for our Thursday morning for Cape Cod. You can track everything, of course, with our free 5-star rated weather app. Make sure your location alerts are turned on. You've got the interactive radar layer. You can pop it open, make sure it's on past plus future mode so you can see where things are, where they're going to be headed. Dew point does drop, so it's a really kind of tropical air mass that's in place. But notice by the afternoon and evening, drier air already coming into northwestern New England. This will sink south and east through the late evening and overnight tonight. So you wake up to Thursday morning to a totally different feel, just a touch of humidity lingering along the south coast. Windy today, too, outside of any thunderstorms. Gusts out of the southwest, 30 to isolated 40 miles per hour on the Cape, and generally 20 to 30 for the rest of us. The wind shifting around out of the west and the northwest behind the front this evening and overnight tonight, and that wind subsiding as we head into the overnight period into our Thursday. Overnight tonight, as the skies clear out and that fresh new air moves in, we cool off. 50s for northern, central, western New England, and still running in the 60s the farther south and east you come. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the #1 Degree Outside Weather.